Hi there, my name is Keith Rains and this is my new second YouTube channel. I have decided to make a new YouTube channel dedicated to Zambian and African content only. My aim is to see more Zambians and Africans at large to be financially stable by making use of the internet to make money. On this channel as well, I will be posting money-making opportunities that work in Zambia and some other educational value. If this is what you can watch and learn more, then go on and click on the red YouTube subscribe button and turn all notifications. Be sure to check out my main channel as well. I am sure you clicked on this video to learn how to make or earn a lot of money in Zambia in Africa for free without doing anything at all. Well, is this real even? The short answer is yes, and the long answer is no. This is my first video on this channel. To know or learn how to make money online in Zambia without investing, be sure to subscribe so that you keep on receiving the videos as I upload. If you are watching this video at a later date, be sure to check my other videos on this channel and begin to make money online in Zambia and Africa at large. On this channel, feel free to comment when you have questions. I read and reply to all comments within an hour. If you get to like the video, please be sure to click on like. If you don't get to like the video, then be sure to click on dislike. This can help both me and YouTube to determine if my content is good. As I said earlier on, my aim is to help as many Zambians as possible, but I cannot achieve this alone without you, so all I ask from you is to help me also by liking this video, commenting, subscribing and sharing. I am a very busy person and you will not be seeing most of my face in the videos I will be making. So expect videos of me and videos without my face. Bye for now, see you in the next video tomorrow.